situation has unfolded in Telangana's Sangareddy district, where a massive demolition drive is currently underway under heavy police security. The operation is being carried out in Aminpur Mandal's Iylapur village by the Hyderabad Disaster Response and Asset Protection Agency. According to officials, the drive targets alleged encroachments on government and inam lands. Authorities say several unauthorized structures are being demolished as part of a plan to reclaim land and later install fencing. The large-scale operation, which began on Saturday, April 11th, is being conducted in coordination with revenue and municipal officials. Hundreds of police personnel have been deployed at the site to maintain law and order. Officials further stated that a six-storey building and a guest house are among the structures being demolished. They claim construction continued at a site despite the existence of a court stay order. Meanwhile, evacuation orders were issued for residents of Residency and Crystal Developers buildings in Kishtareddypet area of Aminpur Mandal. This has left nearly 45 families in distress, with residents questioning their future. Many of them have asked, where are we supposed to go if we are forced to vacate so suddenly? The demolition drive comes days after activists reportedly called for resistance against such actions. Officials maintain that the affected area falls under full tank level and buffer zone limits, which prohibit such constructions.